Hello everybody, I'm here to do a Ipod Touch review on the StereoConnect audio cable from Griffin. This is the box that came in. Essentially allows you to connect the cable to your iPod, which goes to your receiver for your surround sound system, and you can play your iPod music or anything you want through your stereo speakers. This is the cord. This end goes to the receiver, just regular RCA, regular audio, red and white inputs, and then this goes into the iPod. And I'm going to go ahead and hook it up real fast and give it a test. Got my receiver over here. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the red and the white to the RCA inputs, and then I'm going to go ahead and plug in the other end to the iPod. Go ahead and flip it on, get to some music. Go ahead and press play. And then all I got to do is just switch on my sound system and make sure. There we go, it's on the right input. And as you can hear, the music is going. Here's one of the speakers. All in all, great little cord for the iPod. Saves a lot on the iHome speaker systems and all those portable speakers with iPod docks on them. If you have a home theater system, you can just plug your iPod directly in. The cord was $14.88 at Walmart, and again, it's Griffin. Thanks for watching.